Hi guys, Mrs. Hobbs here again. I'm going to make this short and sweet. By today, you should have already completed 2 different assignments. The first one happened Tuesday. You were asked to do a discussion board where you opened it and your comment or your participation was writing your name and then doing the audio saying your name as well as a positive character trait. You'll know that you did a good job because I will have liked it and then made a comment on it. If you go back in and look at yours, if you didn't do it, you have to go back and do it. If you look at yours and it wasn't liked and it says try again, you probably just didn't follow the directions. I'm going to ask that you go back and do that again. Then yesterday, which was Wednesday, I had a very simple index card for you to fill out. And you just needed to fill out your name, put a picture in there, something that you wanted me to know about you, and then a question that you might have, and so, or any comments. I'd like to ask that you not just leave that blank. It is helpful if I can just get to know you a little bit, and if you already submitted it, you can unsubmit and do that again. Super easy to do that. Today we're going to be talking about online expectations, and there's about a 7 to 8 minute video to watch and a quiz. It is not supposed to be hard. It's mostly supposed to just reinforce the expectations. But and you can go back and listen to that video as many times as you want, but I just need to set some ground rules. Good to see you again, and I hope this doesn't take you too long.